guys, I hope you are doing well Maisha Vijana 2000, Maisha Vijana 2000 episode 2 is out. Just wait, there's something that we are correcting, then it will be out. Okay, like you my guys.